bọ́ọ̀ ti sú mi o. Zlatan so ní ẹ̀pù mi ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ń jọ ẹ̀mí ìfọwọ́kọmọdé mi ṣe kankan now.
Guys, I want you to pay attention and listen to this voice note or this call. Just listen to it very well.
Mo mọ̀ pé ìṣọ́ra mi ìfẹ́ ní ti tó máa stay ní wọ. Ṣé ó kàn lè sọ fún wọn wà ń bẹ̀ ń jọ yẹn wọ́n náà yí gbogbo pàṣẹ ti ń pàṣẹ. Gbogbo wàhálà ti ṣe jọ yẹn pé kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má jà. Ọ̀rẹ́ ìjà ó ìṣú ni fídíò náà ìṣú tẹ̀. Ọ̀gbẹ́nìbọ̀dì tó fọwọ́ kan anybody. Níbo lọ́ ti wá lọ́wọ́?
Ẹ̀gbọ́n tí bá ti sọ yẹn máa máa ṣàlàyé lọ ní o ẹ ṣáà máa gbé sí táyà wọ́n máa ní pé kí wọ́n máa ẹ̀mọ̀ wọ́n máa ti di mo fẹ́ ìbọn fúra mi tó ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ni nǹkan tó kàn mí máa dá sí nǹkan tó kàn mí over 2 years báyìí mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ náà láì tí mo bá mi sick tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ náà láì mi mú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ọlọ́ọ̀lúwa ni olú ẹ̀ fi wà ó ti sọ àti bẹ́ẹ̀.
Guys, I want you to pay attention and listen to this voice note or this call. Just listen to it very well.
This is the baby. So pé ìjọ yẹn ọ̀nà pé ṣe yàrá pé sábà ìwà bẹ̀rẹ̀
kí ni David sọ?
Tàbí òkòkò bí ẹnu sọ pé mo máa bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kò gbé odò pé sábà ìdí ètò fún mi lẹ́jọ́ ẹ̀ pé sábà ìwò yàrá.
Mi ìfọwọ́ mi kàn mí ìfọwọ́ mi ṣe kankan kò sẹ́ni bọ̀ tó fọwọ́ pé yàn.
Ọkọ̀ àdé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tó dé bẹ́ẹ̀.
Guys, I want you to pay attention and listen to this voice note or this call. Just listen to it very well.
Kí ni ó bí wa sọ ṣé kò sọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣá? Ẹlẹ́lẹ́ni tó láìkì ni tó fẹ́ràn mi. Àmúlà ìdúró 2 hours. Múlà ìdúró 2 hours sáyé jáàmù làkà ń ṣeré. Ó lóun máa dáàbò ó máa ṣe kinní yẹn sìn. Ó lóun máa ṣe ń sìn.
Guys, I want you to pay attention and listen to this voice note or this call. Just listen to it very well.
Ojoojúmọ́ mo ti kó lórí WhatsApp yẹn ni wọ́n máa lò yẹn. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ bú mi pa. Oh, fake video ni ọ̀lẹ́ lọ́lọ́lẹ́ náà lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Ó yọ lọ ẹni tí ó jẹ gbè kò lè kú gbè Ọlọ́run yínú mi bọ̀ kò sí problem ṣàwọn apẹ̀lẹ̀ àtàlù bọ̀ èmi kọ́ gbé bíyà olè ẹ̀pù mi kò kọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ síta bọ̀ èmi náà tí wọ́n á rí sí pé
mi ò ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo pẹ̀lú lè ṣe tó bá jẹ́ pé mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ ni àti nǹkan tó kàn mí máa ti máa dá sí máa ti máa pọ̀ kí ni
Guys, I want you to pay attention and listen to this voice note or this call. Just listen to it very well.
Normal.
Lójó bá wọn gbé ní oṣù yàrá mi ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n social media mi tí mo ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀sìn mo rò pé àwọn
ìwé ibi títí wọlé gan ṣé àmọ́ gbọ́ pé yá kẹ́nìbọ̀dì dìde Zlatan fi lé ilẹ̀ mí ìdẹ fọwọ́ kan lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ló ti wọ mọ́tò ẹ̀. Bọ̀ ó yọ lọ́run ṣá ó yọ lọ́run kò sí èrè máa pè ẹ́.
Zlatan, I take God beg you, do not interfere in this issue at all. Don't even bother. See, whatever instructions your parents have given you about not even meddling in this affair, in this situation, please stick to that instruction. Do not interfere at all. Then guys, this is a big warning for everybody out there. See, be careful of whatever you say over the phone. When you're having a phone conversation with people, be careful of what you say, because whatever you say, they might actually use whatever you have said over that phone against you. Do you get? And I'm very happy. But before I go further, let me just, recap a little bit on this situation for those people that are not aware about what is going on. Now, ever since Mohbad Pine, we all know that people have been all out seeking for justice for Mohbad. Now, the matter is still in court. Then Mohbad's father, we know the situation now. There has been a lot of, factions as to the different groups of people looking for justice for Mohbad. That matter is still pending. Then Mohbad has not been buried yet. And people have been saying, even me personally, I'm an advocate of that saying, that they should go and bury Mohbad. That they should just allow that boy to go and rest. Because it seems that the way things are going now, there is nothing like justice for Mohbad. They should forget about it and move on. They should go and bury that boy and let the sleeping dog just lie. Because we know how it is. So now, VDM, out of the blue sky, went to interview Sam Larry. I don't know his, objective over this matter. I don't know the reason why he came up with the idea of bringing back that memory that people are trying really hard to forget. Now, VDM has gone to interview Sam Larry. Everybody can create content. It's all good. But using Mohbad's death to kind of seek some sort of validation online is what I don't understand. We all know what VDM stands for. I am one of his, crazy critics of VDM. You understand? Because he has done a lot of things that we are not all proud of. He has said a lot of things that we are not all proud of. But there are a lot of things that he has been doing, especially recently, that everybody is proud of him. Everybody is actually, we are commending him for all of those great, things he has been doing, especially when that incident in Benue State happened, that it was VDM that actually, shed more light on that situation. Now, we commended him for that. Good initiative, good work. Then another one he did in Abuja about those kids that their teachers were on strike. I think they are still on strike. That issue is still ongoing. We commend him for what he has been doing. But on this one, I do not agree to it at all. Do you get? So on this issue now, the only person I am directing this video to is Zlatan. Zlatan, I beg, just face your business, your clothing business. You are doing great. You are doing very, very fine. Face your career, face your music. You understand? Do not even interfere in this issue at all. Torí pé ibi tọ́rọ̀ yìí ń lọ sí, ó dàbí ìgbà tó yẹ pé ẹni tí tiẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́, òun wẹ̀ nìkúnra ni. Zlatan, you get? And Zlatan said something in that video, in that voice note. He said he does not want to interfere in the whole issue. That was why he kept quiet. That something that does not really concern him. He doesn't want to be, you don't want put mouth. Why is VDM hell-bent on trying to force Zlatan to interfere and say his own side of the story? Which story? Somebody said this issue don't happen. He does not even want to meddle up in the whole issue. The thing don't happen, it don't happen. Let the sleeping dog lie. Why is VDM, the question is, why is VDM hell-bent on making sure that Zlatan, talk about it? Why? What sort of validation is VDM after? That is the question. What is the validation? What is the point? What is the point? What is VDM really after? Because we all know VDM. VDM sometimes, what I'm saying is, VDM has done a lot of good in the society. He has done a lot of great things in the society. But sometimes, we all know VDM, it can be very, very manipulative. VDM can be very, very manipulative. We love him. We love what he's doing. But there are some lines you don't cross. This one now, VDM is crossing a line that he shouldn't. So now my advice is going out to Zlatan. Zlatan, I beg, anytime VDM calls your number, do not pick his call. Oh. Don't send him a voice note, yo, because now voice note VDM they use. Remember Nedu? Now voice note VDM used against Tamo. Even Bobrisky. Now Bobrisky voice note allegedly now VDM used against Amo. Zlatan, please just stay out of this situation. It has been like that. Just let it be. Now, when I said I am making this video to actually warn people, we need to be very careful of what we say over the phone, because you don't know if you are being recorded, and whatever you say over the phone might be used against you anyhow, either in the court of law or in the court of social media. They can use your voice recording. They can. That is why sometimes I don't even like to send voice note, because when you send voice note, people are in the habit of saving your voice note, and they will now use it against you in a time. A time will come, you and that person might have a clash, and that person will just use that voice note against you. Maybe something you said, it's a secret, they will just use it against you straight up. Do you get? That is exactly what is going on. And Zlatan said in that video, he said he does not want to interfere in the whole Mohbad matter. He doesn't want to meddle in this situation. Why is Very Dark Man hell-bent on making Zlatan come and talk about what? And in the scheme of things, I don't understand the position of Very Dark Man. I don't understand the position VDM is trying to claim in this whole equation. He's not a police officer. You are not a law officer. You are not a lawyer. You are not a government official. Why are you now saying Zlatan must come out and say his own side of the story? For what? That's the question. That is the question. VDM, why are you saying Zlatan is a must that Zlatan should come out and say his own side of the story? For what? For what? Nobody is answerable to you now. Nobody is answerable to you. If you want to do your content, do your content. Post your content. Make your money with your content. Do not try and bring people all up in your own business. Do your business. Let other people, do theirs. You understand? So now, as it is now, what by Mohbad? Yeah. Now only God know. The person will buy Mohbad. That person will face God one day. That person will reap whatever he or she done so. Do you get? When it comes to Mohbad matter, that is my own take on it. Because this thing here, it has gone on for far too long. This thing it don't escalate, everything. To me, I don't believe nobody can even find justice for Mohbad. Even Mohbad's father is living his life. So if Mohbad's father could be living his life, if Mohbad's mother could be living her life, do you get? So who are you to now start saying you are now looking for justice for Mohbad? Who are you in the equation of things? Are you his mother? Are you his father? Are you Mohbad's brother? No. So what is your own stress? Why are you now saying, why is VDM now? That's the question. For those people that does not understand Yoruba, he said that in that voice note. He said he does not want to, interfere. He does not, that he has been avoiding a lot of people's calls just because he does not want people to record his voice and use it to implicate him. Because social media is like a courtroom, another courtroom entirely, only that it is not an official courtroom. People can actually condemn you real fast on social media. So we have to be very, very careful about what we say over the phone, because they can actually record you. Now look at it now. What Zlatan was actually trying to avoid have happened now. They don't record his voice. His voice note, his voice call is already recorded. It's already all over everywhere. Now waiting Zlatan they try avoid can finally happen. Just check it out. So you cannot trust anybody. He was saying in that voice, he said he does not want people to record him. That was why he was avoiding a lot of people's calls. That in the past, he don't avoid people's calls like over this Mohbad issue. He does not want to say anything about it. Out of respect he has for Sam Larry, he picked his call and he was even talking about it. And he was trying to make his point known that, look, I don't want to interfere in this issue, in this matter, because I don't want people to record my voice and use it against me. Look at the whole situation now. His voice is all over the internet now. Everybody is talking about it. See, now God saves Zlatan. Oh. If Zlatan, that is why you have to be very careful what you say over the phone. If Zlatan was careless over that phone conversation, over that voice note, if Zlatan have said some things incriminating in that voice note, they will have used his voice recording against him all over the internet. You see what we are saying now? We all have to be very, very careful. That is the question. That is the question. You have to be very, very careful what you say over the phone. Once they record it, that's all. So Zlatan, please just face your business, face your music. Do not answer very dark man. No. Do not allow very dark man to come and interview you over this matter. Very dark man, we love you. We love what you have been doing recently. If you want to record, go and do your content. Everybody is doing content. Record your own content, push it out there. Easy peasy. But do not implicate people in your content. We know what's up. We know what you have done in the past. Guys, if you are talking to someone over the phone, mind what you say. Because whatever you say might be used against you. Yes, even in the court of law. Jeff Olewa is my name. I'll see you on the other side. Please, if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell. God bless you for doing so. God bless you for watching my videos. God bless you for dropping those beautiful comments. Love you guys. Holla.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.